Welcome back to I Love Dogs. It is dinner time, and somebody has been a very patient boy. Tonight's meal consists of green beans, kibble, and water is his drink of preference. So I have made him wait long enough, I do believe, and so I'm going to give him the release word now. Good boy, take it. Good boy. Take it. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see him. He enjoys his food. One minute. I think that's our normal rate. No water? Okay, guess not. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please press the like button and also press the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.